5 in the morning. It's like 5:30 in the morning. Just arrived at Lake Florence. I'm gonna go try to see if there's any trout around here.
Let's go the other side.
Beautiful right now. Yeah, 이런 거 없어. Dude, this is beautiful. I mean, it's like 5:40 right now, and we were just over there a second ago, but we had to walk across. And yeah, this is awesome. It's about 3 hours from Fresno, California, and yeah, we're gonna try it here and see if there's any fish. We're right below the dam, as you can see, and right up here. What's that? Okay, so here I'm just using green gulp as bar bait, and using 4 pound and a size 8 trout hook. There you go, small one.
Fish is like right there. Got him on the outside nose, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, the brown.
Is it? Oh, small one, but this guy. Beautiful colors.
Oh, the brown. It's a good size.
Oh, good size, dude. Cut night thigh. Yeah, that's a good one, man.
Yeah, good size.
Nice
Brown.
color. Second nice. Sun is rising above that mountain right there.
Có thể nó mà y cho nhiều cơ thể ra nó là cho họ này có cố chỉ cố là này ta tạo thế sự.
Oh man, you need to wash hands.
thế cho nên rồi nó giờ tới lúc phạt tụt tụt nó cho có bỏ có những nhà bỏ kia chết tiệt tỏi đó đây là mua lúc
Oh, that's a good size. Ooh, that's brook, dude. Oh yeah, dude. That's beautiful. 막 앉아, corner only. Nice. 이- So we're fishing for these. Check my out here. Some pretty good sized trout in here.
should brought the plastic wax one
Oh yeah.
nó cho có cá
Yeah, keeper.